Today we're diving into the sleek and stylish KOHLER Farmington 19X16 S-Rim Lav 8cc. A top-notch KOHLER part designed to elevate your bathroom experience. This lavatory sink boasts a sophisticated, timeless design that seamlessly integrates with any decor, offering both functionality and elegance. Crafted with precision, the Farmington features a self-rimming installation that ensures a clean and polished look, making it a perfect choice for those seeking a blend of style and practicality. Its compact size, measuring 19 by 16 inches, is ideal for smaller spaces, yet it doesn't compromise on the spaciousness needed for everyday use. The 8-inch center set faucet configuration provides versatility, allowing you to choose from a wide range of faucet styles to complete your bathroom's aesthetic. Made with high-quality materials, this KOHLER sink promises durability and long-lasting performance, ensuring it remains a staple in your home for years to come. Whether you're renovating or building anew, the KOHLER Farmington is a smart investment in both form and function, bringing a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.